Okay, this mall is Robinsons Galleria.
Everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
It's nice. Food court.
Yung sa baba. Downstairs.
Oh my gosh, there's a big Christmas lights there. Christmas tree. Okay, let's go downstairs. They have also display. They also have display. Tokyo. Ay! Beard Papas. Okay, the food court of Robinsons Galleria. Look at this one. This one is Beard Papas. Amazing. Beard Papas is more on red. Beard Papas. Oh, mga puffs. That's why. This one is Reyes Barbecue. Oh, yummy. Reyes Barbecue. What else do you want? What do you want to eat today? This one is Chokes. Chicken. Chokes to go. Or Kyokyo. Ramen 99. No, not yet. This one is Jeremy. This is you.
Yeah.
KFC. This one is Davao Tuna Grill. Exactly. Maybe you can have discount there. Steak break. Ah, yesterday you want to try this one, right? Beef Paris House. How about this one, Beef Paris House? It's all about beef. This one is kamay kainan. Kamay kainan. Yeah. You want to try Filipino food? This one is Japanese. This one is pepper lunch. Ay, pepper lunch. I think you like it. Pepper lunch. The beef. No more now. You want McDonald's? Ah, okay, not yet. Come here, let's go. Okay. Okay, your favorite? Our favorite. And then inihaw. Inihaw means grilled. Grilled. Gosh. Grilled. This one is cheese. Cheese. Hi, cheese. Cheese. This one is pao chin. I think this is Chinese. Pao chin. And no more.
Fat Daddy's coming. Fat Daddy chicken.
Fat Daddy chicken is coming. Do you have that in
I
there?
don't know, I've never heard of it, but it sounds good. It's Chinese or Japanese.
So which one do you want?
It's a great name, Fat Daddy chicken.
Which one do you want?
What are y'all? You're the host. I can eat anywhere. So
Beef Paris. Because you like
if
beef.
that's what you want.
Okay, let's go. Let's try Beef Paris. Okay, I think we can go straight here. Kangkong. Ah, white people.
Where?
There.
Where? Oh, yeah.
You want tuna? No? Steak? But they have different ones. I think you will like this one. Oh, but it's Filipino.
What is it?
It's not really. Wait, let's check. Ano to, miss?
Ano po unapuan natin?
Sige.
Ito na bahala.
Ano yan, adobo?
Pwede na dito.
What's hot sauce?
Anong gusto mo, Tats?
Dinuguan.
Tata likes dinuguan. But the one is blood. Magkano po yan? Isa po. Tatlong rice. Isang dinuguan. Ay, kami.
What?
Do you like with soup? Pork po ba yan? Pork? Beef. Oh, beef nilaga. Like boiled stew, like that. Stew, beef stew.
Okay.
Okay, we'll try.
If that's what you want.
No, you.
I can eat anything, sweetie.
Sa ilalim ng kutsara po.
Okay, okay. Yan pa isa.
She wants you to try it?
Yes, please.
Waiting for the soup.
Tatlong rice din mo.
It's so crowded here. There you go. Menudo. This is pork menudo, and then this is pork dinuguan, and we have got extra soup, yeah, for free, and yeah, nasty iced tea. Okay, amazing. Okay, let's go. Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Had a very shiny nose.
Take a picture.
Tapos mag-picture ka na lang dito. That's it.
One, two, three. One, two, three. Paano yung ganon?
Ready?
Yung button dyan, doble mo.
Ready?
Press twice.
You gotta send it up here. Yes.
Okay, smile.
Yes. Yes. Look here. Look.
One more. So nice.
Reindeer.
Right here. Yeah, they did a good job. Wait, can you put your face in that?
I think you, it's you. You're so tall, you don't.
That's
You just check, you just check. You just check.
Oh my god.
It's okay.
No, Lala, that's for you.
Stay.
Ang ganda. Why don't you?
That's steps for you. That's steps for y'all. Put your face.
I'm sorry. It's nice here.
Get her here. Look, no.
Oh, yeah.
Amen na, siya mo naman.
Oh, sige. So nice here.
It is. Yes, perfect.
Every moss of different kinds and so beautiful.
Right.
Let's go.
Prada.
Yep. Department store. Ah, another one inside. So nice.
Take it.
The fake one. Hmm?
Okay.
Yeah. The whole thing. Penguin.
Good.
See you soon.
See you soon, Philippines. Who is this? Ah, Flying Tiger PH.
Open.
I think it's a store again.
Office, kitchen, toys, games.
Tom's World.
home,
Okay.
everything.
Tom's World.
Yeah. I don't know, what is it? Looks like
Toys. Toys.
R Us.
Also toys. Yeah.
Alright, do y'all know where to go?
That's yung, yeah, I think we need to go out there where we came from.
So which level and which...
And then we
Right there?
can,
Gonna go right.
I think we can go here. That's right. Is that? I'm not sure. Escalator. We'll check. Are you ready to run? We can ask the security. Going to...
Oh, it's nice.
I think POAA. Wait lang, I will ask na. Hawakan mo nga to. Huwag mo hawakan dyan dito. Time zone na banda?
Ayun, akit namin tayo dito.
Doon daw time zone. Kung time zone na yan, diretso na rin.
Ba't may paakit naman dito?
Go straight down. Time zone.
They're doing.
Medyo pataas. Konti.
I'm sorry.
Ayan.
Yeah, better. Upstairs?
Yep. Just go straight time zone. Then palabas. Escalate pa. Escalator yun. My way.
Yeah, visible.
Time zone.
Diyan, no? Time zone.
Way palabas.
Pababa.
Yung way palabas.
Ah, yun pala. Kaya nga, dito tayo duman kanina.
Pero ano tayo? After tayo na parang way yung way.
Oh, may no brand dito, oh. No brand rice noodles. Set sa kabila. Ay, Kaiser dito ka, oh. Kaiser Medical Center.
Kaiser Medical